Hi guys, it's been a while since I last uploaded a YouTube video. I am thankful to everyone who still support my channel. I read some of your comments and messages on Facebook and they mean a lot to me. Anyway, for today's video, I'm going to show you my entire Astrophytum cactus collection and I'll share to you how I started. So, let's get into it. I started with 5 Astrophytum which I bought in Chatuchak, Thailand last 2019. I fell in love with them when I first saw them since it was my first time to see a cactus with no spines. I always thought that cactus have spines or thorns. Ever since then, I save a portion of my allowance to buy small Astrophytum on a 2-inch pot. They cost around 50 pesos. Right now, I have around more than 400 Astrophytum in my collection, and more than half of them were seed grown by me. Anyway, let's start the tour. Let's start with my Astrophytum myriostigma. This one is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar onzuka. It has this snowy white, heavily speckled epidermis with fabulous marking. This is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar Hakun nudum. It has these beautiful cloud-like white patches on its green epidermis. I bought most of this Astrophytum myriostigma in a 2 inches pot. They are about less than an inch in size and cost around 50 to 100 pesos each. I got lucky since some of them grew and started showing Kiko and Fukuryo characteristics. This is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar Kiko Fukuryo nudum var quadricostatum. It has a prominent pointed tubercles along the ribs edges and a prominent ribs in between the true ribs. This is a gift from my friend in Mindanao. It is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar Fukuryo nudum. It has several irregular warts between the ribs. This is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar Hakujo. It has a felty line between its areoles, thus it seems like the areoles are connected with each other. This is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar Kiko nudum. One of the first Astrophytum I bought. When I bought this one, it doesn't have the Kiko traits. I got super lucky with this. This is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar Hakun nudum var multicostatum. Aside from being a Hakun, this one has more than the usual 5 ribs. Thus, the name multicostatum, which means multiple ribs. Another one of my first Astrophytum, Astrophytum myriostigma nudum var quadricostatum. Quadricostatum means that they have 4 ribs. This is an Astrophytum myriostigma cultivar onzuka. This one has grown a lot. When I bought this one, it is around less than an inch in size. Now, it's around 3 inches wide and 4 inches tall. This is an Astrophytum myriostigma var tricostatum. Tricostatum means that it has 3 ribs. This is an Astrophytum capricorn. It is a columnar cactus with long curled spines that looks like a goat horn. Thus, the common name goat horns cactus. This is a gift from my special friend. Currently, this is my largest myriostigma in my collection. One of my favorite cultivars of Astrophytum is Astrophytum asterias cultivar Kiko or Astrophytum asterias turtle, since I'm always fascinated with turtles. These Astrophytum have raised tubercles along the rib edges. Its areoles stick out with large notches between them, giving a bumpy look. Each Astrophytum ribs appear different, making them unique with each other. When viewed from above, this cactus resembles a tortoise shell, hence the nickname turtle. This is a Astrophytum asterias cultivar nudum variegata. Astrophytum asterias cultivar subercabuto. This is the most popular cultivar of Astrophytum. Its epidermis has mosaic of extensive white tuft or spots that make the cactus looks intensely maculate. This cultivar has different unique patterns. Some have the shape of fly wings, which are called V-type, while others have lines in between their areoles. Some are called star-shaped. Their tip of the ribs are more deeply seated within the cactus body. This gives its unique star shape. Others have different form or ribs, such as this one that has more pointed edge rib. This is an Astrophytum asterias cultivar supercabuto goryo V-type. This Astrophytum has the characteristic of a fly wing in its areoles and has 5 ribs. This is an Astrophytum asterias cultivar hanaizumi. Notice that there are at least 3 growth points in each areole. These are some of my hybrids I grow from seeds. They will be my future mother plants. These Astrophytum asterias cultivar goryo focoryu produce a unique flower. Its flower is crested. This is an Astrophytum asterias cultivar focoryu. It has the extra rib in between the true ribs. The rest are Astrophytum asterias cultivar nudum. These Astrophytums lack the white tuft or spot commonly seen in Astrophytum. A lot of these need repotting already. As you can see, there's no longer space for growth. This is another Astrophytum asterias cultivar nudum that produces a unique flower. Its flower is a chimera, which is basically a combination of Shinchowa, Akabana, and the normal Astrophytum flower. This astrophytum, which has a purple or brownish epidermis, is called Astrophytum asterias cultivar purple skin nudum. This is an Astrophytum asterias cultivar Shinchowa. The flower of this astrophytum have fine thread-like petals. This Astrophytum asterias is one of my first astrophytum and the reason why I started collecting astrophytum. As a college student, I can only afford to buy small specimens, but it does not stop me from collecting astrophytum. I also prefer buying small cactus since I love to see them grow and sometimes you get lucky and they start showing cultivar traits. Just look at this 30 astrophytum I bought for the price of 2,400 pesos. I got super lucky and half of them grew as a collectible. In addition, smaller specimen can easily adapt to your place and on the process of growing them, you will also learn how to take care of them. These are some of my seedlings. I grow this astrophytum from seeds. Pollinating and sowing seeds is the fastest and cheapest way to double your collection. And if you will get lucky, you might have some interesting hybrids. Most of these are around 2 years old. I usually sell them in my page. On the coming weeks, I'll try to upload Astrophytum care. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, don't hesitate to comment below. Hopefully, this video inspires you. If you love this video, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button so that you're the first to be notified when there are new videos released. Thank you for watching!